Welcome to TECHi, your trusted source for the latest in AI and tech innovation. Microsoft is rolling out a groundbreaking update to its AI tool Copilot, introducing what they call Copilot Vision. This new feature allows the AI to see everything on your desktop screen in real time, almost like screen sharing with a colleague, making support, guidance, and productivity smoother than ever. Unlike previous attempts such as the controversial recall feature, Copilot Vision prioritizes user control. Instead of constant surveillance, you manually enable the vision mode by tapping on the glasses icon, exposing only what you want Copilot to analyze. This shift from being watched to choosing what to share may finally make AI screen assistants widely accepted. Copilot Vision isn't just for tech troubleshooting. It can help you navigate games, give resume feedback while you work, or collaborate on complex tasks without the hassle of uploading screenshots or files. It's already been tested as a web assistant in Microsoft Edge, but this desktop integration changes the game entirely. Copilot Vision bridges the gap between AI convenience and privacy. What do you think? Will you trust AI to see your desktop? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, tap like, subscribe, and ring that bell so TECHi keeps showing up in your feed.